how to get your TikTok account unbanned. So if you want to get your TikTok account unbanned, then what you need to do is you need to open up your browser or you Google it first, and then go with your search, and under search you need to search for TikTok contact or TikTok support. Now here you need to go with the contact, which is on the first section. Once you get this kind of interface, you need to just go with visit the help center, tap on support.tiktok.com, and now you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for unbanned, or you can also search for banned. And as you can see that here you will have all of the information. You can just simply go with content violation and bans, and then here you will have an option of feedback. So just simply scroll down, or here you will have appeal your decision. You need to tap on it. Once you scroll down, you'll find the option. You need to scroll down again, and here you will have contact us option if you scroll down. So you need to tap on contact us, and it will take you to this kind of interface. So you need to first go and select a topic, go with the drop down, and from here, if you want to get unbanned, you need to go and select that option, which is account ban or suspension, or you can also go with any other like general account inquiry. And under category, you can go and select banned account, and then go with the username. You need to enter your username of your TikTok account, and then your personal, additional information like your contact email or additional details. And if you want to upload any attachments, you can attach it and click on these two boxes and then go with submit. And after a few hours, you will get some help from TikTok support on how you can fix your account ban. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.